Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. In today's vlog we will be baking a cake and I'm using a cake mix which I'm gonna show you. Oh god, I drop everything. This is the Betty Crocker cake mix. The flavor that I'm using is lemon. I know so many of you can just be like, you can follow the instructions at the back and just make it, but I still want to go ahead and make it for those who are new to baking, and you know, for them this is something they have never tried. So here's a cake mix followed by 3 eggs, water and oil. Next up is to just mix them together. So this is how it becomes, like a fluffy liquidy batter. So you just want to make sure when you go on the eye level it's exactly 250 ml. So I'm just adding 250 ml of water, and it's more liquidy right now, and then I'm going to add the entire cake mix. Next step is to add 125 ml of oil that I just did, so I'm going to add it to the batter. So I'm just going to add the oil. Before I start mixing, I just want to get the oven ready, so I hit bake, and on the box here it says 350, so I hit 350 and hit start. So the oven is prepping. As you can see, it's right now at 100. I'm going to wait till it turns 350. So one thing you want to make sure is that while you're mixing it up, there are no lumps whatsoever. See how it's getting rid of the lumps because I'm working all around. So I'm just going to use my fingers to spread it all around, because otherwise it's gonna stick to the pan and you don't want that to happen. And I'm doing the same thing with the cup, just mixing up the oil. Okay, next up I'm just gonna pour it in. You don't want to fill it up till the top because that's gonna make it overflow. So this height is perfect for a cupcake. I'm gonna do the same for the rest of them. Okay, so it's all ready and I'm just going to put it in the oven. Timer, knowing my oven, it takes 17 minutes. Okay, so now I just poured the rest of the batter into this other pan and I'm just going to put it in the oven with the cupcakes. As you can see, they're already coming together. You can always refer back to the box and it tells you depending on which pan you're using, the amount of time it will take for the cake to be baked. See, they are really coming together. So it looks like it's done, but you always want to double check. Always take out a clean toothpick and poke it. If nothing comes and it's clean, that means it's all ready. Okay, so I'm just trying to take it out. You never want to just pick it up because then it's going to be stuck to the pan. Always go around with the knife. Okay, I just went around and now you can see. You can just take it out. Ta-da! It's all ready! So the timer just went off. So I'm gonna take a look at it, but I can see from the top it's not ready, so I'll give it another 5 minutes. So it looks like it's done. I'm just gonna poke into it. And it came out all clean, but just to be sure, I'm gonna test it from different parts. This took about 45 minutes to cook, but that's because the height of this pan, if you can show from the side, the height of this pan is much higher than a regular pan. That's why it took longer to cook.